Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about safety favors only those who are prepared. This question can be asked because of two newses. First of all, we all know the COVID-19 pandemic, and second one is recent fire in a firecracker company. Our question is safety favors only those who are prepared. We have to comment on it. Our introduction would be safety is as simple as ABC. Always be careful. Safety means to protect yourself and others from harm. It gives you reward by step which you take today. Safety should be our first priority. Rules and regulations must be followed to ensure it. We can give some examples. If we follow traffic rules, wearing helmets, seat belts properly, and doesn't use mobile phone during driving, this is our preparation which provides us safety. Then during construction of a particular building, there are so many safety measures need to take. We need to follow the correct procedure like fire alarms and carrying cylinders of carbon dioxide and dry powder to extinguish it. If we procure stop wastage and overuse of water, then no scarcity of water like we can follow the Chennai model. Then when we build road in hilly area and put the debris at the surface of rivers and increase the chances of flood like Uttarakhand dams in earthquake prone area and in a special economic zone, there will be a chance to fall of building and tsunami, so we have to check before start making. Then during COVID-19, inappropriate behavior and negligence of WHO guidelines raised number of cases of infection and deaths. Then Hyderabad floods in 2020 and Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, which is very tremendous act. Benefits of safety measures. We can save lives, we can save property, finance, and save environment also reduce other kind of disasters. Then impacts due to negligence. Due to negligence, there will be more chances to lose so many lives of humans, animals, and also lose property. Then loss of finance due to reconstruction, rehabilitation, and more spending on health sector due to COVID-19. Then negative impact on environment such as river, such as water, air, soil, sound pollution. They further create a disaster to our lives. Then our way forward would be need to spread awareness among the people. Then proper measures should be taken. Also provide various type of training of people. For example, Bihar is a flood prone area due to Kosi river, so we can provide training to the locals how to handle this situation and save many lives. Then follow rules and regulations because they made for our safety. Proper accountability need to be defined. Regular mock drills by NDRF, discharge of industrial waste in river. Also use COVID-19 pandemic behavior, WHO guidelines. Then our conclusion would be to conclude safety is our first priority and Article 21 of the Constitution of our fundamental right to life, and with that this is our responsibility also under Article 51A to protect the public property and under DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy, and Sustainable Development Goal also supported to it. So we have to take measures to ensure our safety because prevention is better than cure. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.